Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about the basic filtering in SAS. So when I say basic filtering, I mean that what if I want all the data with particular values in certain column. So let's see this data, and let's say I want all the data which has age, all the rows, I want to filter all the rows which have age as 14. So I want all the students with age 14. So see, I only have two, so I only want these two rows, right? So what I'll do, I'll remove age here and I'll put at the rate, then in quotation 14, by which I want to filter the data. And then let us run, and if we see, it will show only those rows which have age 14, but of course age is a common factor here which is same, so it won't show the age column here. So all these two, both the columns have age as 14. Now let's say I want, let's keep the age back, and let's say I want all the students with name John Johnny Senior. So what I'll do, I'll put at the rate and I'll copy John Johnny Senior here, put it in quotation, Control V, put it in quotation, and sorry, I removed student ID, I think. So I'll just, and you can undo anything by pressing Control Z. So that works the same. So yeah, John Johnny Liver and at the rate. So when I put this, what I find is that all the records, all the rows with name is equal to John Johnny Senior will be filtered out. Let us run this. See, okay, so it is giving name to me because, interestingly, because I have manipulated name here. If you see that, I have manipulated name. So whenever we, as I told you before as well, that whenever we manipulate some variable, it will always give it as the first column. So irrespective of whatever filter we put, if we have used length variable here, length keyword here, and if we have changed the length and we have manipulated a variable, a column, it will anyways give it there. So that's why it is giving name there, but as blank. So that's interesting. So uh, but that's how filtering works. Now let's say I want all the students who are in class 9th. So let's put the name back here, and let's increase the rows with class 9th. It's John Johnny Senior only, so let's put it with Ron, and I want all the rows with class 9th in quotation. And if you notice that if we run this, the data will be filtered. I'll just put the dollar here because it's a character variable. So when I run this, I'll find all the rows where the students are in class 9 will be filtered out here. So that's how we do the basic filtering. Of course, the drawback is that we are not able to see that column by which we have filtered the values. So that column goes away, apart except, of course there is an exception that if you have manipulated that particular column, then it will definitely appear, but again it will appear as a blank column. so we won't be able to see the values anyways. So apart from that, this works fine. Basic filtering, if we want all the data with particular value or with particular requirement, we can, print that data with this kind of basic filtering. Of course, we can have some advanced filtering as well, where we can see that particular column as well on which the data is filtered. So I'll discuss those advanced filtering later in later videos. So as of now, basic filtering, works for our general requirement. If we want just the data related to some particular filtered value. So yeah, as of now, thank you.